Causation determinations in negligence actions are tricky, especially when there are independent superseding causes that cause a plaintiff's injury. The case of Delaney v. Reynolds considers a situation in which the superseding act to a defendant's alleged negligence was a possible suicide attempt. John Reynolds was a police officer who kept his handgun loaded and unlocked in his bedroom, in his duffel bag, or in a drawer. Kathleen Delaney moved in with Reynolds and knew about this handgun. Delaney was undergoing treatment for substance abuse and depression. A year after Delaney moved in, Reynolds noticed that changes in Delaney's medication made her fatigued, depressed, and isolated. Delaney claimed Reynolds knew that Delaney had attempted suicide. Delaney also claimed that Delaney had told Reynolds she wanted to end her life, and Reynolds had responded by giving Delaney his gun and telling her to go outside so she wouldn't make a mess of his house. Delaney did take the handgun and go outside, but didn't shoot herself. Reynolds later told her the gun was unloaded. Reynolds denied knowing about either instance. Delaney left one night to attend an Alcoholics Anonymous meeting, but purchased and smoked cocaine before the meeting and stopped at a bar for cocktails on the way home. Reynolds was asleep on the couch when Delaney returned, and Delaney continued drinking. When Reynolds woke up, he and Delaney got into an argument about her substance abuse, and Reynolds kicked Delaney out. Delaney went upstairs to their bedroom to pack and noticed Reynolds' duffel bag on the floor. She took his handgun, went down the stairs, aimed the gun at the window, and pulled the trigger twice. The gun didn't fire. Reynolds jumped up from the couch and chased Delaney up the stairs. When Delaney reached the bedroom, she put the gun under her chin and pulled the trigger. This time, the gun fired, and the bullet entered her chin and exited her cheek. Delaney survived. When Delaney received medical treatment, tests indicated she was positive for cocaine and had a blood alcohol level of 0.165 at the time she shot herself. Delaney sued Reynolds for negligently keeping his loaded gun readily accessible to her, even though he knew she was suicidal and had mental health problems. Reynolds moved for summary judgment. The court granted the motion after determining that Delaney's shooting herself was a superseding cause of her injuries. Delaney appealed.